Watch out for the defense sector. It's certainly buzzing in trade today. This as the Defense Minister Arun Jaitley, as we speak, is chairing a crucial meeting with the top companies from the industry. The meeting is on strategic partnership policy. This was a brainchild of Arun Jaitley's predecessor Manohar Parrikar, who had envisaged that one company should get the partnership for each segment of defense procurement. For example, you can have armored tanks, single jet fighter planes, etc. Ruchi Bhatia, who is tracking that meeting, joins us on the phone line. Ruchi, we understand companies like from L&T, Tata, M&M are all in attendance. The industry has been quite vociferously against strategic partnership, saying it could become monopolistic in nature. What's the agenda for today's meeting?
Exactly, those are the key issues, Nayantara, that we're understanding that the industry will be raising in this very crucial meeting that Finance Minister and of course Defence Minister Arun Jaitley is holding with top players in the defence sector, top private players. Remember, the government has opened floodgates for foreign direct investment in defence sector. They also want a lot of these Indian companies to really push Make in India by making these defence equipment. But we understand that a lot of these players have committed to their production in the defense space, but they've not really started doing anything on ground. And this is because, there were faults initially in the defense procurement policy that the government had at one point of time. And which is why we understand that in this meeting, very categorically, a lot of these private players will be seeking some sort of an assurance from the government for a regular inflow of orders, and apart from that they will also be figuring out what kind of time span is the government is looking at these long-term contracts that the government says what will be the time span of these contracts. Also, we understand that we could see significant changes in the strategic partnership policy. As we've been saying, Manohar Parrikar wanted a lot of these players to enter into both foreign and Indian players to enter into the defense space, open the defense space entirely. But now we understand some 4 segments will be open to allow these Indian companies to manufacture helicopters, armored vehicles, submarines, and a whole host of other things. So we understand that some of the concerns will be around how to avoid monopolistic practices by big groups and allow players from across the board, small players, medium and small medium players, and of course allow these big companies as well. So this will be a crucial part, and we'll of course keep you abreast of all the developments from here.